Hi there, welcome back. This is Manu here. Today's idiom is leave no stone unturned. It means to spare no efforts, to do everything you can to achieve your objective. There's a story behind this. There was this Persian general called Mardonius who was defeated by the Greeks around 500 BC in this place called Plataea. Now, before being defeated, before he was killed actually, he was rumored to have buried his treasure. So there was this chap called Polycrates from Athens who believed in this rumor and went to the oracle at Delphi. Oracle is the lady who, was kind of a fortune teller there. And she said, turn every stone, because he had buried it under, near his tent somewhere. And the oracle said, turn every stone. That's all he said. So I don't know whether he got the treasure or not. But from there we have this. This is one of the stories of the origin. Turn every stone, or the other one is leave no stone unturned. That means do everything you can to achieve your objective. I want you to make sure that you watch this video right till the end, because there are lots of important things, small tidbits that I give throughout the video. So you miss one thing, you miss that thing, you don't get it. And the idea is to learn English every day. So watch the video right till the end. Let's look at a few sentences. He left no stone unturned to catch the terrorists. Our scientists left no stone unturned to get the medicine for this Chinese flu virus, COVID. Here's another one. Our political leadership left no stone unturned to reduce the impact of this pandemic, or to contain the impact of this pandemic. The police left no stone unturned to catch the murderer, the rapist. They left no stone unturned. They did everything they could to catch the rapist. Now, here's a bit of a humor in this. Be creative, as I say. Leave no stone unturned. What's the opposite of that? Leave every stone unturned. So, how about this? They left every stone unturned in their efforts to improve the economy of the country. That means they did absolutely nothing. Here's another one. The leader said he would leave every stone unturned to reduce the poverty of the country. That means he'll never do a thing. Well, that's a joke anyway. But yeah, that's a bit of a humor. Creative use of this. Try this out. Leave every stone unturned. Now, let's look at a few parallel expressions that we can use in place of this. Some are very creative. Watch out. Spare no effort. So he spared no effort at clearing his exams. Move heaven and earth. My father moved heaven and earth to get a sanction for building his house. Move mountains. The army moved mountains to make sure that the country was safe. Do what it takes. Very simple, flat, down-to-earth expression. Do what it takes. How should I clear the exam? Well, do what it takes. That means do everything. Spare no efforts. Do what it takes. Very powerful, very simple expression. Bend over backwards. That means, it's difficult to bend over backwards, right? You can't go back. You can only go that far unless you're a contortionist. But you bend over backwards. Do the impossible to get what you want to get, what you need to get. A related expression is go out of the way. He went out of his way to promote his junior. He went out of his way. And here's the one that's supposedly purely Australian and UK expression, go for the doctor. The team went for the doctor to win the match. Go for the doctor. I don't know what's doctor here, but yeah, you go for the doctor. He went for the doctor to clear his UPSC exam. He went for the doctor. Well, the doctors went for the doctor to treat that patient. The country is going for the doctor to contain the second surge of this Chinese virus epidemic. Go for the doctor. Do you go for the doctor? When? Where? Let us know. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.